Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to be doing is, or tonight, this evening, just go for a little POV drive, I guess. I still got to get a head mount for my GoPro, so I just got to order. Well, it's not like the GoPro brand, so my GoPro mounts aren't fitting. It's a Acura, I believe, so I need to get the Acura head mount. So I got to do that. I just procrastinating, so I did a oil change, and it was literally a night and day difference with the shifting. Like when I was driving before, I said this before in the videos, but the RPMs would go to like 4,000 RPM, like when I was just slightly on the gas, and it wouldn't shift. Now when I'm lightly on the gas, it shifts around 2 grand, 2,500. So it's way better. Just a simple oil change, literally just made the car shift like a whole new transmission. It's pretty crazy. I didn't think an oil change would affect the transmission shifting that much. I knew an oil change would make the car run better, but didn't think it would shift better. So one thing with these paddle extensions is they're hitting my knee, I just noticed. I do love how well this handles in the turns. Like, keep in mind, like, this is stock ride height. The winter tires are bald. So, and I think I have busted shocks. So once I fix all that, I'll definitely handle a lot better. I do like to use the paddle shifts to slow down. Helps the brakes a bit. Put the camera on so you can hear the Mustang take off, hopefully. I love the engine sound of these. Like, even for stock, you can really hear the VTEC crossover. Once I get on the highway, you'll see. I'll make sure I really get you guys to hear it. Like, the VTEC is around 4,500, I believe. So you'll hear the intake get a lot louder. Well, I don't have an intake, it's just stock airbox get a lot louder. Watch. Right there. 48. And that's all she wrote. So for the 6-speed auto, it sucks. It auto upshifts to around 120 miles an hour. Now, I'm not sure if K-Tuner fixes it that you can hold it right till 120 miles an hour in fourth, but as you've seen there, it auto upshifted to fifth to sixth, and in fourth I was only doing like 100, maybe 110 miles, and then it auto upshifted. So I thought it only auto upshifted at 120, but it seems like it's auto upshifting into fifth, then right to sixth. So hopefully K-Tuner at least lets me hold it right to 120 miles an hour. It's the only downside with this car is that stupid auto upshift. If hopefully P2R can, I think he was working with a company to figure that out, but I want to see like a second gear roll, like right around here. Oh, see, I gotta get used to the when to shift. That was good. It had some good kick, but I still think the auto would, or the manual would take this thing like so easy. Oh. So anyways, that's just a little POV drive. Figured I'd give you guys something to watch. Stay tuned, lots more to come. We're going to get an exhaust on this, so The dries will be a lot more fun. And then I'm going to try to find my K&N drop-in filter from the manual and just put it in here for now. I haven't even looked at the stock airbox. It might be filthy, I don't know. So that could be holding back some power. It is full weight right now. Spare tire and tools in the trunk with the couple extra tires in the trunk also. So I probably can easily shave 100 pounds off of this. So stay tuned. It's going to get a lot faster, trust me. And we're going to line it up against the Q50, so that should be interesting. I do feel like this will stand a chance on the highway. Like a second gear roll, I feel like this will hang with the Q50 stock for stock. So, like I said, stay tuned. Lots more to come. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. And I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.